Hi there and welcome. My name is Rodi and I will guide you through a practice of breath awareness and conscious movement. So if you are ready, sit comfortably on your mat and let's begin. Find yourself that comfortable position with your spine nice and straight, cross-legged or sitting on your heels, whatever feels comfortable right now. And let's just really take a deep breath with a slow exhale. And maybe even making a sound on the way out, just really to release whatever it's not needed anymore. Whatever doesn't serve you in this moment. Deep inhale. And exhale. Let's do two more like this. Inhale. And one last one. Amazing. Keeping the attention inside. Returning to natural flow of the breath. Really connecting with the air coming in and the air going out, with the movements that happen in the body with each respiration, with each breath. Keep deepening the breath. Allow the exhales to be a little bit longer than the inhales. And observe what's happening to your body, what's happening to the muscles in your body when you slowly exhale. Total awareness of the breath. And the muscles involved in the breathing process. How does your chest move? How does your belly move? What other movements are there? And keeping this connection, let's bring other parts of the body into play. Let's inhale and exhale, drop the chin down towards the chest and inhale again. With awareness, let's rotate the head towards the right, drop it back, come back to the left, and then go back down to the chest. 3 more like this. We are not rushing anywhere, we are not going fast. We are consciously moving and isolating the movement up into the neck. Let's do one more into this direction. shoulders are relaxed, the forehead is relaxed. The eyes can be closed. Come back to the chin, to the chest. Let's switch direction. Inhale, go to the left, drop the head back. Start exhaling and bring back the chin to the chest. Conscious movement and breath awareness. We inhale when we bring the head up and back. And we exhale, returning down to the chest. One more. Beautiful. Chin to the chest. Let's inhale. Then bring the head back up. Exhale. Really nice. You can keep your eyes closed or open them up, however you prefer. I advise you to keep them closed as long as possible. Let's bring the hands up to the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, turn to the left. Exhale, turn to the right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Again, we are going slow. We are really observing the movements of the muscles. Which muscles are moving right now? Two more. And one. Come back to the center. Inhale, raise the arms up. Interlace the fingers. Turn the palms upwards. Let's take a deep breath. Exhale. Inhale again. And exhale, bring the left hand down to the side. Bend a little bit in the elbow. Right arm diagonally above your head. Take a deep breath and a nice stretching on the right side. Exhale. One more deep inhale. And exhale. Come back up, arms up. Inhale. Exhale, go on the other side. Right hand down to the floor. Right arm diagonally above your head. Keep the chest open. Really open yourself. Bend in the right elbow. Press with the hips down towards the ground. Really elongate that left side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Come back up to the center. Inhale. Exhale. Hands down. Amazing. Let's come to the hands and knees. We will consciously move to the hands and knees, hips above the knees, shoulders above the wrists, back in a neutral position. Let's inhale. Exhale. Inhale again, drop the belly down, head up. Exhale, round the back, chin to the chest. Let's do two more. Cat and cow. Inhale. Really slow movements. And be aware of the muscles engaged, of the muscles working here. Come back to a neutral position, extend the right leg back. Let's take a deep breath here. Exhale. Keep the eyes closed, and again, that conscious movement. We will do rotations with the right hip, so bend the right knee and start rotating externally, and again slowly. It's like a moving meditation here. Just slowly and gently. Let's go one more time on this side, on this direction, and then switch direction again with this right hip. Conscious movement. Do not rush yourself. Keep breathing. One more. And extend the right leg back. Inhale. Exhale. Bring the right knee down to the ground. Extend the left leg back. Keep that spine in a neutral position and maybe engage a little bit in your core so you protect the lower back. Let's do hip rotation here as well. Inhale, bend the left knee. Exhale, rotate externally. Deep breath. This movement is a conscious movement. You are keeping your attention, your awareness to the part of the body that is moving right now. Let's switch direction. 2 and 1. Extend again the left leg back. Inhale. Exhale, bring the left knee down to the ground. Open the knees wide to the edges of the mat and bring the hips towards the heels. Chest down towards the ground, forehead down. Let's take a deep breath in this extended child's pose. Deep breath. And from here we are going to come up with the torso, staying down on the heels. If you feel too much pressure on your ankles, you can sit crossed legs or extending the legs in front of you. Close the eyes. If you, just in case you open them up. And bring again the attention inside. Keeping that breath awareness. How does your body feel after these few moments of movement? How does your body feel after these few moments of conscious movement? Next time you do this practice, I invite you to go even slower. Move your body slowly, with total awareness on the body part that you are working on. Let's take one more deep breath here. With a sound on the exhale. Inhale again, bring the arms up. Palms together. Exhale, palms down in front of your heart. Inhale and slowly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.